Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Venmo security settings for privacy and fraud prevention, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to open the side menu. Scroll down and select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, find and choose Privacy. You will see three options: Public, Friends, and Private. To enhance your privacy, select Private. This setting ensures that only you and the person involved in the transaction can see your activity. Next, go back to the Settings menu and tap on Security. In the Security section, activate the two-factor authentication feature. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code when logging in from a new device. Next, review your linked bank accounts and cards. Make sure that these are current and that you trust the sources. Then, enable Notify Me about transactions to receive alerts for all activities. You can also review the payment method to ensure your preferred option is set securely. To prevent unauthorized access, set a strong and unique password. Consider updating your password regularly for added protection. Finally, periodically revisit your security settings to stay informed about any new features. By following these steps, you will enhance your Venmo security and protect your privacy against fraud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.